Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a little minute. I was sick and I'm almost better now. So we are finally doing the LA haul, all of the things that I bought in LA a week and a half ago. Again, so sorry for the delay. I have my rack behind me. I'm just gonna turn you around. We're gonna be in the mirror today because we haven't done that in a while. So I'll show you, I'll try everything on, show you what I got, and I'll tell you the prices because most of it is from the outlet. So I know a lot of people were curious about what the prices were like. So without rambling, let's get into the video. Okay, so here's what we have first. You saw me in the vlog try this shirt on. This is a Saint Laurent shirt. It's super simple, but it's my favorite color. It's like a washed kind of pink, which I really like. I had my eye on this for a while, and I didn't expect to find it there. It is originally, hold on, I have the tag over here. It is originally $4.20 and I got it for $1.20. So still a lot to pay for a t-shirt, I know, but I'm gonna wear this a lot, especially in the summer. And I just styled it with my thrifted little pants, and then my other baby are Chanel sandals. We found them. If you watch the vlog, you already know that. I'll do a close-up, but this is exactly how I plan on wearing these sandals. Of course, with dresses and all of that, but I'm just so thrilled. Found the sandals at Saks in Beverly Hills. They just have them casually on display, like they aren't hard to find. And they were, hold on, let me get the receipt. I tried to keep everything handy because I know a lot of people had questions about how much stuff was. These are $12.75. I know, but they are my summer luxury purchase, and I saved for this trip, and I knew I was gonna buy them if I found them. The next item from the haul, I found a Balenciaga coat. Oh my god, she's so stunning. I have wanted this coat forever. It wasn't even on my wish list because it's been sold out forever. And they actually had it in Balenciaga, like in the back. The guy was so helpful there. He just asked me what I was looking for, and he just started bringing me random stuff out. The color's not really showing up. Let me see if I can make it a little darker. Yeah, so it's really pretty check print, yellow, pinks, green. It's stunning. And yeah, it's pretty lightweight, so that's what I was really excited about because I already have a coat and I didn't really need a coat as we're coming to like the tail end of winter. But this is more like trench coat weight. It's pretty light. It feels like how the blazers feel. It's just long. So this will be great into spring and then again early fall. And this was, hold on. I kept my receipt, $1,500, plus they had 30% off that day, so I got it for $1,100. And I just love it so much. I took my shoes off, but I love it so much. It's so stunning. Okay, I figured I would show some accessories next, and this gem I actually found at Zara when we went to the Grove. I wasn't really looking for anything, but this is the perfect mashup dupe because I've been loving the Bottega Veneta cassette bag, but it's too simple for the price for me to pay because I just wouldn't wear it enough. I'm not a huge crossbody person, but I do like it sometimes. So this is basically a dupe of the cassette bag with the texture and the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette accessoire with the extra pouch and little tiny pouch. So yeah, and then it also has like the same kind of little strap. It's just adorable. I mean, I wish it was in like a really fun, pretty color, but I just had to pick it up. It's so cute. And again, both of these are like workable little bags. You can take one off if you want to. And then it also has the chain, like the Prada bag. They literally just said, let's just do all the bags in one, basically. And then just so you know, if you pick this up, I'll try to link everything below, but this bag comes attached to something down here. So obviously if you know it's a dupe, you know to move this. So I just kind of attached it to something up here. You could also attach it to this thing. Just depends on where you want it, but this is kind of the height that I like my crossbodies, but this is just phenomenal. I was so impressed, and I want to say it was maybe $49.90. Okay, this is what we went in looking for. I still haven't like ironed this. They also took this, or pressed it. They also took this out of the box in the back for me because I just said I was looking for an hourglass blazer or any type of jacket. It's in this stunning like cobalt blue. Oh, it's so pretty. Super lightweight. This will be perfect for spring and even summer, like for nighttime. It's, you know, this was on my luxury wish list. I wasn't looking for shoes, but they brought out these, which I'll do a close-up because right now the light is kind of washed out and it's not doing them any justice, but they are basically just knife heels with a little bow in the back. Also, I took my rug away. I'm redecorating. Let me know if you want to see an updated closet tour because I'm redecorating. But anyhow, I'll show you the shoes up close, but they are just stunning, glittery, sparkly. I can't even wait to wear them. I'm gonna try to wear them more like dressed down because they're such like stunners that, you know, I want to do like that casual kind of glam. But yeah, let me show you the jacket buttoned up. And then this is what it looks like buttoned up. I just love the shape. There's nothing I love more than a blazer in general, but a structured blazer. Let me show you more accessories. I found a lot of accessories. The next thing is an accessory, and I actually bought this before I went to LA. I didn't take it with me, but I think I forgot to like show it when I got back home. So this I did. This was like the only thing I found at that like failed shopping day at Zara. But it is another dupe that I wouldn't invest in, which is the Dior book tote. And it's like they just came out with the Dior book tote in a smaller size, and this is the size. And I love it. It's so pretty. It's just like a really nice canvas, super cool, like Aztec-y kind of print. It comes with, I mean, I just love it. So cool. I had been looking for something just a little bigger that I could fit my laptop in, but that wasn't as big as my YSL tote back there, because that's just more of a travel bag for me. But this will be good to just run around, and it's just super light. It comes with a thick strap too that I'm actually very excited to try out on other bags. It could be a really cute like little crossbody strap, but you could wear it on this bag as well. So really happy about that. Okay, next accessory. I found Highlowluxxe sunglasses. These were on my luxury wish list, and I had found them actually online before I went to LA, but I was like, let me just see, because I still just have never seen them in person. I wanted to try them on. Let me flip it around. Okay, so here is what they look like. But I had found them online, but I still really wanted to try them on. So I went into a Solstice. This was the only pair in the store, and they were having a 30% off that day. Look at God. Literally every store we went in, Josh was like, you are really lucky today. So I found them. They were $3.50. I think, do I have the receipt? Hold on, I think I kept the receipt too. Tried to be as helpful as possible. Yes, I did. So I saved $97 because they were having that sale. Yeah, they had 25% off that day. So I paid $322 with tax. Before tax, they were $292. And I think originally, well, I saved $97. So that is that. But these are my, you know, every summer I like to invest in one pair of really nice sunglasses. Last year I found those Tom Ford sunglasses in Italy, these. And the year before that, I found these Fendi sunglasses in Paris. And now I have these, and that's all I need for the summer. I do kind of want, I'll take these off. I do kind of want a yellow tinted pair of sunglasses or a pink tinted pair of sunglasses. Chloe do some really nice ones, but I don't know if I want them bad enough. But I'm thrilled, literally thrilled that I found these. Oh, I have one other accessory and then a few more items. It was a lucky trip. It was a lucky trip, okay? And I think I'm gonna do another shopping fast for March. because I think okay, this was the other thing, and if you watched the vlog, you saw me find this at the thrift Melrose Post. I forget what it was called exactly, but it's in my last vlog. And it is literally like a vintage kind of like 60s bag. And I just don't have a bag this color. I loved the style. I'll do a close-up, of course, but it's just so ladylike. And I just love it. It was like, I think like 12 bucks. But it's real leather. Love the detail. Love the gold hardware. You know, I'm a gold kind of girl. Let me show you how it opens. But it's just, it's literally a little pocketbook. Who is it by? Oh, it's by Naturalizers. So look at that. Probably from like, I don't know how long that brand has been around, but this is old. But it's literally like a pocketbook, like your grandmother probably had. And I really like it. I think it's just so ladylike when I need this color bag. And I don't have anything like it. Okay, probably the best piece that I found. Not the best, but I love it so much. If you watched the vlog, you already saw it, but it is this dress from Zara, and it is a stunner. You know my love for the designer Cecile Bonson. I think I should probably figure out how to say her name correctly. But her dresses, I have a few on my shop tag or wish list right now, saved for if they ever go down in price. They're like $1,700, and this is probably the best dupe I've ever seen. The quality, this dress is heavy, not in a uncomfortable way, but heavy in like a, what type of fabric is that? Wow, was that handmade type of way. It's stunning. I got it in a size small, so I would say right now I'm definitely like a typical size medium. So it does run big. Of course, I would try to link it. I paired it with my dad's sandals because this is how I wore it. And this is the summer vibe. This is exactly why I bought these shoes, for things like this. Just girly, cool. This is my favorite outfit. I wore it our last day in LA, and literally everywhere we went, you know, you can just like hear people like whispering like, oh my God, that's such a cute dress. Oh my God, that's such a cute outfit. Everywhere we went, people were like, oh my God, that's such a cute outfit. And I was like, thanks. So anyway, I love it. I want to say it was like on the higher end for Zara. So probably, I mean, I tore the tag off so fast. I want to say like $69 though, probably somewhere in there. And then I almost forgot because I put it up. I did purchase a handbag, which was not on, this was not on my luxury wish list. But if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know, this is a Chloe bag, for those who don't know. You'll know that when I went to Capri in August, I found this bag. I didn't find it, but it was in a shop, and it was like a crazy discount. And at the time I thought these were really cute, but I don't have any Chloe. I just wasn't sure, but I think it was like, they had it on sale for like $800. It was just like a random little shop. I mean, Capri is basically like a luxury city island. So like all of the shops are basically luxury shops. And I saw this and I tried it on, and I think I did a poll on my stories, and I just wasn't sure, and I left it. And when I tell you, I thought about this bag every day. Every time I saw somebody with it, every time I would blame Josh, and I'd be like, why'd you talk me out of that bag? And he would be like, I didn't talk you out of it. You said you didn't know if you would wear it, which I didn't. But then it was like every time I saw it, I thought of like a different way I could wear it, and it was haunting me. But I had tried to buy it after that, and it sold out online everywhere. I've tried, I looked pre-loved, and I just could not find it. So that's why it wasn't even on my luxury wish list, because I couldn't find it anywhere to even buy it. And when we went, this was at the outlet mall. It was the only one in the store, and it was in the window. When I walked up, I let out a little scream. So yeah, and even then I was like, do I really want it? Let me try it. Let me try it on for you. So it has a strap, you know, yellow, and yellow has been like my new favorite color last summer. And I just thought, I just really want a colored bag. I love the seat. It opens super easy, closes super easy. But yeah, even when I saw it, I tried it on and I was like, okay, I'm gonna think about it. Like, we just got to the mall. The only store we had been in was Balenciaga, and I just bought all the things in there. So I wasn't sure. Crossbody's so cute. Yeah, I wasn't sure. I mean, I really wanted it, but I was like, let me just think about it. Let me flip you around. So anyway, let me just quickly tell you this story. So I said I'll come back. I put it on hold. And then we just kept shopping. And then my sweet angel, Josh, was like, I'll buy it for you. And he doesn't buy me bags, but like, we just don't buy each other gifts. Like for Valentine's Day, we usually would just take trips, and that's kind of like our gift to each other. We don't buy Christmas gifts. We don't buy birthday presents. We'll do something nice. Like for my birthday, we'll usually do like a spa day. And for his birthday, we usually take a trip. So we just don't, like, we've just never bought each other gifts. He was like, you know, I'll buy it. It's Valentine's Day. And like, we've been married for a month. Like, it's our 1 month-ish anniversary. And I was just so excited. But first I was like, no, you know, you can't do that. And he was like, no, I'll buy it. So he bought it. So I'm just so excited, which then just, it's still, his money is my money. So it's still like I bought it, but it just made it a little easier to buy. So I'll show you. Again, I'm not a huge crossbody person, so that's why I was like concerned at first, but it has the perfect top handle. You can take these straps off if you want. I don't even want to take this outfit off, but you know, it's 40 degrees outside. So I do have more. Sorry about the ramble. If you're new here, then that was just a lot, but there was a story to be told. Moving on. Okay guys, that's actually it. That's everything I got in LA. Let me know which one was your favorite. Also know what you want to see from me next. It's Friday, and I'm gonna try to edit this really quick and get it up because I know, again, I was sick, so we gotta get back on track. So I'm gonna try to get this up tonight for you, and then we'll get back on our regular schedule next week. So let me know if you want to see anything. I will have a spring trends haul thing kind of coming up, just like some things that I'm really like into, and also a few things that I've bought for spring so far. But if you want to see anything else, let me know. I'm gonna try to get back into vlogging, but vlogging is a lot. So if there's anything else that you want to see, leave it below, please. Of course, if you stuck around this long, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. Follow me on Instagram at Highlowluxxe and read my blog, highlowluxxe.com. As always, thanks for stopping by. See ya.